Have you ever looked in your hairbrush or the shower and thought, why is my hair falling out so much? The first thing most people do is blame their shampoo. Then they blame their genetics. Then they rush out and buy another hair oil or another miracle serum. But what if I told you that your hair may not be falling out because of a product at all? It could be because of one simple mistake you make every single day without even realizing it. And that mistake is you never give your scalp a chance to recover. Think about it. From the moment you wake up, your hair is constantly under pressure. A tight ponytail, a heavy wig, a baseball cap, headphones, sunglasses resting on your head, even constantly tucking your hair behind your ears. None of these things are necessarily bad by themselves, but the problem happens when your scalp never gets a break. Imagine wearing tight shoes all day, every day. Eventually, your feet would become sore, right? Your scalp works the same way. Your hair follicles are attached to living tissue, and that tissue responds to repeated tension. Now, I'm not saying this is the cause of every type of hair loss. Hair shedding can happen for many reasons, including genetics, hormones, nutritional deficiencies, illness, medications, and stress. But unnecessary, repeated tension is one factor that is within your control. Here's something I started doing that completely changed the way I cared for my hair. Every evening before bed, I give my scalp what I call a reset. I take down my hairstyle, I gently separate my hair with my fingers, then I lightly massage around my temples, the crown of my head, and the back of my neck for about 1 minute. Not because I'm trying to magically force my hair to grow overnight, but because I'm releasing the tension my scalp has been holding all day. Check out my previous video. I share a bedtime routine that you can do to help relieve stress and tension. I will have it linked above. Aside from that, I also wear a loose protective style to bed instead of sleeping with my hair pulled tightly back. It sounds incredibly simple, because it is. Sometimes we overcomplicate hair care. We think every answer comes in a bottle. But healthy hair often starts with healthy habits. Another thing I want you to pay attention to is how your hairstyle feels. Here's a simple rule. If your hairstyle hurts, it's too tight. If you get a headache after putting your hair up, it's too tight. If you can't wait to take your hairstyle down at the end of the day, it's probably too tight. Your hair should never have to suffer for a style. Remember, your goal isn't just to make your hair look good today. Your goal is to help it stay healthy for months and years. So, tonight, try this. Take your hair down a little earlier. Give your scalp 1 quiet minute to relax. Wear a loose hairstyle before bed. And see how your scalp feels tomorrow morning. Sometimes the biggest improvements don't come from buying something new. They come from stopping something that's been quietly working against you. If you found this helpful, leave a brown heart in the comments and tell me one habit you're going to change today. And if you're serious about growing healthier, stronger hair naturally, make sure you subscribe, because every week we talk about practical, science-informed hair care that actually makes sense. I'll see you in the next video.